In 1927, a Greek immigrant by the name of Gregory Theokomakos opened a hot dog stand in Baltimore, serving Coney Island-style dogs with his own chili sauce recipe. Now, it was a hit. I mean, a big hit. And 81 years later, it still is.
I need 2 up on 1, 5 up on 3, hold the onion.
There's something about a G&A hot dog.
Hey, enjoy.
Makes me feel at home.
Is that yummy?
It tastes just scrumptious. It's a little bit of heaven.
It's like an institution.
My grandfather's been coming here since he was a kid. My father.
And take these.
And it all began with owner Andy Farantos' great uncle Gregory, who partnered up with his cousin Alex and started a tradition.
We had it from 1927 to 1966, and my father took it over in 66 to 88 with my uncle.
And then it was Andy's turn.
Pick it up. We kept all the old recipes, we kept everything the same.
And kept the crowds packing in.
Best hot dog in town.
When I was a little kid, we used to come up here and get hot dogs and watch them turning in the window.
You're gonna enjoy this one.
Loaded with the original Coney sauce.
Ooh, delicious.
Andy has still not told me what the secret ingredients are.
On the dogs and the burgers, even an omelet. It's the Coney sauce, isn't it?
Yes.
That's what does it.
Absolutely.
Now it's time to make the Coney Island sauce.
Yes, every day we get fresh ground beef delivered.
Do a lot of ground beef around here.
Yeah, we sure do. A little bit of water.
Oh, you're gonna get in there.
Yeah, you gotta get in. You gotta break down the ground beef.
How many days a week do you work?
6 days a week.
How many hours a day?
16 hours a day.
16 hours a day, 6 days a week.
Yeah.
All right, a little more water.
And then, guys, I need the paprika. There we go. The celery salt and the chili powder.
I'm gonna attach the milk crates to your boots and make like milk crate snowshoes.
Thank you, guys.
And then you can have this, and then you go around being 6'6".
Coming up on Christmas.
I like that. So this is our mixture. So it looks like beef soup.
You know, we bring it to a hard boil and then we simmer it for about 2
I
hours.
like the flavor already.
All right.
Chili, cheese, and onion.
The chili goes on perfect. Great combination.
Combination and 2 up on 1.
That has everything on it, the onion, ketchup, and mustard, and then chili sauce, and that's what makes it taste the best.
I'm usually about a 3-biter.
It's one.
But great. Nice and juicy dog. Crazy meat concoction on top. White onion's perfect. Bun's nice and steamed. And it costs $1.90.
That's it.
If I was a college student, I could live here.
You taste the hot dog, you taste the onions, you taste the chili. Delicious.
It's the best hot dog I've ever had.
And you get it quick.
I need 2 up on 1.
Because they got a code all around.
3 up on 1, hold the mustard.
3 hot dogs for 2 people. They say 3 up on 2.
So I'm gonna call them out to you, okay? 7 up 3,
7 up on 3.
2 onion mustard.
No. 2 whole chili.
Huh?
You have to say hold the chili.
Oh yeah, maybe I need to get some training.
If you want onion and mustard on it, then you say hold the chili. That way I know it's onion and mustard.
So I don't have to say hold the chili.
No, so if you just want mustard and onion, then you say hold the chili. It's a lot easier.
Oh, because it has mustard. Ah, okay, forget it then.
You waste no time. 2 up on 1 or 1 up on 2, and they'd have it out to you in no time flat. Andy, he would have 8 or 9 hot dogs lined up on his wrist and arm. 9 of them done in like 30 seconds.
I want 10.
I can't be the elbow joints right there.
7.
I can't do 10, guy. I can do 8.
You can do 12 now.
Up to my shoulder
You
blade.
graduated. I haven't even taken to the collarbone or the earlobe yet. And after they're lined up, Andy's throwing in some fries, Baltimore style.
The gravy is what makes the French fries.
And even that's homemade. You got gravy on your fries?
Yes.
This is the first place I ever had French fries and gravy.
French fries and
I
gravy.
was like 12 years old, and I've been eating them ever since.
I know it's a favorite here. Maybe it's just a Baltimore thing.
So you dip the fry in the gravy?
Yeah.
Can I try one? Nothing wrong with that at all.
They're the best fries.
I dipped the dog in that. My hand.
He's got great food.
Now, what do you normally have when you come in?
I usually go with the sliders. It's
The sliders are the little burgers?
little burgers.
We use clarified butter.
Really? Each one of them goes on their own little...
Yeah, they each get
Sprinkle
their
of butter.
own little dedicated puddle.
So if you're gonna use fat, that's kind of good fat to use. So you throw some cheese on there, hit it with a little onion water for some steam and flavor, and now you're good to go.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, the butter crust is really good. It's juicy. That's about as good a burger as you get anywhere. Unless you want one with Coney sauce. Now that right there is a Coney Island burger.
That's a Coney Island burger.
It's not like a regular hamburger.
Some onions, chili, and steamed burger.
It's like a meatloaf with onions.
I gotta have one of those. So we've got ground beef, eggs. I like the ring. It's like we're calling people to food service.
A little bit of salt, pepper.
Precise measuring.
Very, very precise.
Okay. Whoa.
We got a little bit of garlic, and then we got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, not a lot.
You told me. Just say it fast, because no one will ever know. So the breadcrumbs, you're gonna eyeball this?
We eyeball it, and then we have to start mixing it. If you can hold the bowl, I'd really appreciate it.
So I'm spotting you. This is kind of like...
This is my workout.
More breadcrumbs?
Okay, now we're just gonna scoop it out, roll them up, and I throw them in here.
Then he's breading them with cracker meal.
Shake it up a little bit there. I've had them out.
And so these are gonna get fried up.
We cook them all the way through, and then we put them in a cool down stage.
Overnight to tighten them up. Then they steam them with onions and top them off with paprika.
It's done. I can pull that out, put it on a bun, hit it with some onions, little Coney sauce, time to eat. It's kind of sweet.
It's the onion.
Sure is moist.
Is it good?
Oh, great. That's a hit.
Oh, it's good. Great. That's all I can say. It's great.
It hasn't changed.
There you go, John.
It's the same. The food is still the greatest.
This is what Baltimore's all about.
This place is a landmark.
It is a landmark. It's a legend.
My mom came here. My dad came here.
Now, how long you been coming here?
Since I was her age.
I'm here. One day I'll bring my children up.
We are comfortable doing it old school.
That's the kind of joint I want to eat where he cooks.